Good evening. My name is Mayo Olaleye, and I am a freshman here at Jesuit High School. Unfortunately, I didn't have the chance to attend this open house as an 8th grader, so I wasn't able to reflect upon the speech that the freshmen delivered last year. However, since I went through the application process and am now a Jesuit student, I hope to aid you in your decision on where you would like to attend high school. Some of you may already know where you want to attend high school, and some of you may already be dead set on attending Jesuit. In my case, I was in my final year at Terrace Community Middle School, and I had no idea where I wanted to spend the next 4 years of my life. I wanted to make the right decision, as these coming years could make or break me as a person. I reached out to my friend Ernesto for advice, and he told me about Jesuit. He told me about how their education was the best of the best, that the athletic programs were very strong, and that there was something different about the school in general that made it different from the rest. From what he told me, I immediately knew Jesuit was a place I wanted to be. Thing is though, hundreds of boys also wanted this to be their high school for the next 4 years, and I heard that more students would be denied than were accepted. I studied hard for the high school placement test and continued to work hard at my school, and when the day came, I walked onto campus for the first time and took the test. The time between the high school placement test in December and when I found out that I would be attending Jesuit was a stressful time. I begged my mom every day to check her email for any updates in the admissions process. Then one day, I entered my mother's car, tired from 2 hours of flag football practice, when she handed me a letter. It just so happened to be from the Jesuit admissions office. I eagerly opened it up, and by God's grace, I had been accepted into Jesuit and had even been offered a scholarship. I was ecstatic now that my dreams were coming true. My 8th grade year went by, and finally, I was officially a Jesuit Tiger. Now let me tell you, I'm not even halfway through my freshman year, but I can guarantee you, an experience like this is nowhere else to be found. So far, I have felt a strong sense of belonging, created memories, and have formed friendships and bonds that I'm going to cherish for life. I am now in all honors and AP classes, hope to run for the track team, and have already built a name for myself. In fact, I just found out last week that I have been named one of the 4 class representatives for the entire freshman class. Jesuit has become very special to me in a short amount of time, and my teachers and fellow students have made me feel like I'm equally special to Jesuit High School. I am so excited for what the future holds for me at Jesuit, and pray you all find a clear path in your journey in finding which high school to attend. Thank you so much, and have an exceptional night.